Okay, today's unboxing. I'm expecting 3 albums, CDs in the post. Um, One is Ray Charles' 17 original albums, and the other is Alan Jackson's 34 number ones, and the third one is Madonna's 50 number ones. So I'm guessing this one is going to be, it's big, so I'm guessing this one is going to be the Ray Charles one. It's also quite biggish, so I'm thinking that's going to be Madonna. And I think the Ray Charles, or not Ray Charles, Alan Jackson's one will come in the post tomorrow. So we'll open up. Yeah, it's Ray Charles. I've seen Ray Charles live back in Waterford, where I come from, in the Flachio, and I saw Ray Charles alongside Bob Dylan, Jerry Lee Lewis, Shane MacGowan, loads of folk like that, and Van Morrison. So 10 CDs and 17 original albums, and there's country music albums on here. And I got the box set for the 2 country music albums. So it's a nice oyster style box set. Yeah, lots of music to go through. Very, very good performer live. And now I'm guessing this is going to be Madonna's 50 number ones. Yeah. Oh, that's a very nice note. So whoever sent it to me, thank you very much for the nice note. I will unpeel it. Yeah. Yeah, it's Madonna. Finally, enough love, and CD album of 50 number ones, which will go into the collection of albums of number ones. Also got this Madonna box set ages ago, all our 11 albums for about £6 in a charity shop. Not a big fan of Madonna, but I saw this box set and it was an offer I could not refuse. So £6, so yeah, I'll take that. So this album set then will go into the collection of number ones, and that will be another video, top 10 of number 1 albums. And I believe Madonna and George Strait have the most number ones. George Strait, I think, has 60 number ones, though he has an album out called 50 number ones. And this is Madonna's 50 number ones. So that's today's pickups or deliveries in the post. Ray Charles, 17 original albums, and Madonna's 50 number ones.